Hello. Hello. I haven't streamed in a while, but now I'm going to try to. Today, as the title says, we have a GTX 960. This graphics card doesn't want to detect. The things that I've done already is I've taken off the shroud. I have already done and I have already done and checked all the voltages, and they seem fine. Even the core and the memory. Theoretically, everything should be just fine. So, I'm wondering why it is not. I'm looking for maybe a damaged corner or something. Is it? Oh my god, I think it has a chipped corner. Oh no. Yeah, it's definitely chipped. That was fast. Now I know why this doesn't work. Yeah. That's kind of sad. I really thought this one could be recoverable still. Well. Yeah, that corner. That corner is cracked. That's all I can do. I can do nothing else. Well, might be the fastest stream I've ever done. Should have checked that first thing before doing everything else. Oh well. Oh well. I don't know what else can I do. So this isn't a 2-minute stream. I guess I have one more GPU. Yeah, it's this one. This one has a short on the I/O rail. Everything is shorted on this board. Everything blew up, and we're gonna desolder the core. So at least something will happen today. And we're going to see if desoldering the core on the pads on the core, we're gonna see if the core is shorted. If not, it will be possible to transplant into the one with the chipped core. Okay. So let me bring out my very unfancy preheater, which is a sandwich maker. No, it doesn't do much. It at least does something, and that's enough, really. It brings the board up to like 70 degrees, which is, it's 70 degrees better than if it wasn't, or about like 50 degrees better if I didn't do anything. I use these tweezers right here so that the PCB itself gets hot, but when I actually blast it with hot air, it doesn't. I don't heat this metal beneath. I don't need to heat the metal beneath. I only need to heat the PCB. So yeah, like insulating the one from the other. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna apply a bit of flux right here. It's a big chip, so I'm gonna do a lot of flux. Now I'm gonna take some Kapton. Okay, got some Kapton. And we're just gonna shield those delicate capacitors. And then probably not that delicate, but you know, better be safe. And actually, I've done this one card before, and it turns out that my tool, this tool, it's not strong enough. When I use it like that, it grabs it, but it don't have enough suction to get the chip off, because I don't have the right tip right here. I'm gonna try to find a good one, but that's gonna be for a later. Okay, I have just turned on the preheater. It's gonna take a while to... oh yeah, what am I doing? I need my thermometer, so I know what temperature this thing's at. I'm gonna place it right here. Perfect. And of course tape it down so it doesn't go anywhere. Like that. Okay. Now I turn on the thermometer. 25 degrees, so it's already starting to heat up. And is the probe even touching the PCB? Yeah, it is. Everything's okay. Alright. Now we're gonna know what temperature the PCB is at. And we just patiently wait until it gets up at the correct temperature. Alright, I think this is as hot as it's gonna get. It's 108, 107 now. It's gonna switch between those, so I better hurry. Now, what temperature I'm using on the hot air? It's 99% and 420 degrees. Oops, sorry, and so now I just go in, and even though we have preheated the board, we still need to preheat the board because now we're going to be preheating it to much higher temperatures. Just like that, slowly going in circles around the chip, not on the chip itself, around it. Okay, just like that, excellent. Around the sheet. I'm gonna take a couple of minutes. Probably not liquid yet, it's not. I'm gonna keep trying it. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Yeah, the board itself is at 175 now. 180. Yeah, it's getting really hot right now. The board is almost at the level. We're focusing more on the chip now because the board is already very hot. So just like that, slowly around the IC. I can feel that it's already kind of getting there. 250. Alright. Just carefully, we don't want to rush anything. Always moving the heat around, that's really important. Slowly but surely moving the heat around. You don't want it to be in one place for too long, but it's gonna delaminate the sheet, as I have done many times. Yet, not yet. Okay, it's getting a bit toasty, but even though my arm hurts right now, we are going to take it easy and wait. Patience is key in this moment. You don't want to rush it. Rushing it right now would be really bad. You just want to do the same thing until you get it. Oh, it's starting to get loose. Alright. So a bit more heating. And we are taking it off. Not yet. We're waiting it to be fully liquid. We don't want to burn any parts or tear any parts. Okay, I think it's time. Go in and we grab it. Haha, okay. The chip is off. I can turn off the hot air. I didn't hear any pops, any crackles or anything bad. So I think we got it. Hello Stefan, hello. You have probably caught the GPU removal. So for a quick recap, turns out the no detect GPU has actually got a cracked die. So for it to not be a 2-minute stream, I'm taking off a GPU out of another 960, and we will very shortly see if the GPU is shorted. If not, we will be able to transplant it into the one with the cracked die. As you can see, this is my high-tech, very high-tech preheater, which is a sandwich maker from my mom. So yeah, only the best. Okay. Turn this off. I'm gonna okay, maybe not touch that. It's gonna be extremely hot. I'm gonna try to let it cool down on the floor. Probably not gonna use that. This is from a board where everything was blown up. There was a power thing and everything blew up. So we will see. We will see if the core itself got shorted where everything blew up, or maybe by some miracle it survived. But I doubt it. So we will see, but I doubt it. Okay. Crap. Cut. Okay. Everything is alright. Okay. Now we got the core. We got the jig. I turn on the iron, which is, by the way, I still have the same iron, and it's still run with the bench PSU. I am going to get that replaced with an actual, like, because RVNR said that he will send me one, and he's got like a huge package full of stuff and with the iron. But yeah, he's gonna send it to me, but he just cannot stop adding things to it. So the thing itself is, I think it was like, what, February, when he was about to send my GPU back, and then he thought, yeah, I'm gonna include a few more things, and then now we're here. What I'm doing right now is just cleaning the pads, just to make sure I have nothing bridged. I don't really care right now to you know, clean them or anything. I'm just getting all of the excess solder from the pads. Gonna be enough for now. Okay. Nothing is bridging, and now I'm taking my schematic and seeing all of the main voltage rails. Okay. Basically, okay, it's a checkerboard pattern on this. So I'm gonna take my multimeter right here, ohm. Oh, because the battery is so low. Okay, hold on. Oh no, do I have? I think I do. I need to change the batteries in my multimeter. There was a bag of batteries. Okay, there it is. Oh, of course, it needs a screwdriver to open it. No. Okay. Yeah, it's just two AA batteries. Oh, AAA, sorry. Super heavy duty! Wow! Super loud devoir. What does that even mean? Made in China. Alright. I don't know. I'm gonna try maybe IKEA batteries. This is a bag of goodies, good batteries that were gonna be thrown out, but turns out my multimeter said they're good. Okay, I guess they're good. Yeah, IKEA batteries to the rescue. Just gotta get this thing back on, this red. Okay. My beautiful two red probes. Okay, now we're in resistance mode with new batteries. And what we want to see here is a couple ohms, not 0. .2, 1.1. You know what? That actually 1. Okay, can you stop dropping? You know, 1 ohm is better because if I short those, it's 0.2. So there is some kind of resistance. I'm gonna take that as a win. So my God, this first of all, this core is too thick for my holder, so it jumps out and it's full of flux everywhere. Okay. Next, the rail is the memory rail, which is FBVDDQ. Okay, there's 3 here. Oh no, there's 3 everywhere. Okay, so it's symmetrical. God damn it. Okay. I need to find. Do I have it oriented like that? Is this 0 ohms? Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so if this and this is the same. No, it's not. Okay, is this the same? Okay, I need to find. I know it seems like I'm crazy right now because I'm not showing you all the schematic, but okay, I think I got it. I think this is FBVDDQ, and I need a ground. Ground is probably one of these. 1K. 1K. All right. I'm pretty sure Cause yeah, this is the same. Okay. And is this like another rail? Okay, there's PEX. There's 1 volt. There's IO VDDQ. My God, this is. I would love to have like a proper GPU pinout or something instead of just guessing. Can I actually get that? I'm gonna try. No. Okay, I cannot. Alright. How do I have it oriented? I need to have it like this, but actually like this. So I have like a reference to what's what on the schematic. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna test the FB VDDQ again. Reliable ground is here. Okay, alright. So this and this should be less than 0. 1K, alright. That's really good. Now 1 volt, which is it's about here. I mean, from my blind diagnosis, I think it's okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, and 7. Okay, this is the one that actually blew up. Let's see if that has a short. Huh. We might be in business. We might just be in business. Okay. The most important thing. Is the short gone from the board? If it is, it was the core. It is not. Okay. There is a chance. There is a chance that the core actually survived. All of that voltage through it. Alright. I don't have the stencil, so no reballing right now. Okay. PEX now. Now we need PEX. PEX is about here. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be PEX. 1.2K, alright. FBVDQ, alright, I think that's all. Okay. We probably have a good core. So I'm gonna clean the core with wick, all the pads, and it's gonna be as a good core. Very good core. This board is gonna be 4 parts or trash, whatever, because it still has the short. It's probably fused with the layers and stuff. Just do a quick hand reball. Haha, very funny. Why not? Why not? Why don't wig the pass? Why shouldn't I? It's gonna save me a bit of time in the future. Oh. But what if I don't clean the flags? I leave the flags on after wicking. Is it still gonna be oxidizing? I mean, I don't really care. I can just leave it like that. I can just leave it like that. Wait, I have a perfect... Oh, wait, no, these aren't the right... Okay, never mind. I thought I had the perfect like thing for this, but I do not. Alright then, I need something to keep it safe. I'm gonna just do it like that. I'm gonna take a bit of foam. I'm gonna cut out the GPU because I don't want the die getting cracked. This is really easy to crack the die. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this, a sandwich. A bit of tape on the sandwich so it doesn't fall apart. Yes, and then put it in the sandwich maker. Delicious. Okay, I have a core, but yeah, I'm happy because I really thought that core was dead. You know what? I'm gonna show you. I'm going to show you what monstrosity happened to that board. I think 12 volts leaked into the 3 and 5 volt rails. Where is the board? I'm now going to show you what blew. I've replaced every single component and it's still shorted. This chip right here blew. This chip blew. This BIOS blew. This chip blew. This voltage regulator blew. This one blew. This one blew. Memory did not blow. And a bunch of the little ones. The little ICs, like this one I removed, I didn't replace it. Like a couple of those. Yeah, oh god. It was a disaster, you know? So, I don't know how the core survived that. I have no idea. But I've just measured, everything seems fine. So, yeah. That's gonna go on the board. Where's the board with the... where did I put it? Oh, there it is. It's gonna go on this board. This is the one that we were going to actually diagnose today, but actually it turns out this corner right here is chipped. So yeah, RIP to this card. We're going to take off this core later when my stencil arrives. Today I've ordered the stencil for this GPU because I'm going to be doing a lot of these cards, because this card is one that needs a reball. Because I'm changing the GPU, I have to reball the one in this card, and I have to reball the one that's in this card. So that stencil is gonna get some use. But if everything goes well, I should hopefully have 3 more working GPUs. Hopefully. But yeah, that delicious sandwich, I'm going to put it in the thing. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna get some paper. I'm gonna wipe away the thermal paste. I'm gonna try to show you the chip in the die. But yeah, this is the second chipped die. So 2 out of 7 cards have a chipped die. You can see, yeah, right here. Do you see it? Right here. There's a chip. Tiny little chip, but enough to kill the card. You just probably should have done a lot, done that a lot sooner, instead of reballing all of the RAM and stuff like that. But hey, you know, experience gained and stuff, I guess. Hooray. Yeah. You know, this core, you know, desoldering went really well. Everything went according to plan, nothing got broken. So yeah, this is a total success. Okay, I'm going to tell. You're not gonna ask, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. I got 7 of those. There was a listing, and I talked the price down. And I got 7 GTX 960s for $20. So that's a good deal. All of them were broken, of course. And so right now I fixed 2. And I've sold 2 already. So, and I've been selling 1 for $20. So I am already $20 profit. So if I actually am able to repair all 3, I'm going to be getting 60 more. But probably not. Probably something's gonna go terribly wrong. Because that's always how it goes. But yeah. I mean, I'm going to get at least 1 more working. That's for sure. Okay. I don't know what else can I do? I have still some time left. You know. Oh, I can showcase something. I was at the garage sale recently, and I bought this one for my brother. It's not gonna fit in the shot. I'm gonna try to get a better shot at it. Okay. So it's a typewriter. Oh my god, just stabilize the camera, thank you. Oh, it doesn't have any. Wait, I don't have any paper. It's an electronic one, and it's German. It's German. You can see the umlaut and stuff. Do I have any paper for it? Must have something paper, like, I guess, yeah. This will do. Still trying to sell this stupid laptop. What laptop? What laptop did you fix? I don't remember. I mean, you probably told me about it, and because my dementia is kicked in, and I forgot. What laptop was it? But yeah, you have to press the key like at least 20 times for it to actually show. Okay. See, like, okay. Yeah, I need to change the belt in it. XPS 13. Huh. Well, I don't know what to tell you. That sucks. You know, I hope someone you know buys it. Okay, H. B. you know, if you actually press on the button like 20 times, you can write stuff. You know, the belt is so tired; it's so worn out already. But yeah, it's a nice looking thing. I am really happy I got it. I got it for my brother actually. It cost me, like, how am I going to wait? Divided by 4, I think. Hold on. I need to convert the currency. You're not gonna know what złoty is. 30 times. About 13 bucks, I guess. I don't know. 30 Polish złoty if you want to convert. 30 of them. But yeah, I have no idea how that converts with the current exchange rate. I could have googled that. I don't know why I tried to do this. I have the phone in my pocket. What am I doing? Okay. Yeah, the electronics ones are nice. I'm just sad that it wasn't Polish, because yeah, there's Polish letters too, and it would be nice if, you know, I could, because I'm not gonna write a bunch of German things on the printer. It's a Smith Corona. I don't know if that's a brand you recognize or not. I don't know. Okay, what? Yeah, I think, you know, I did what I wanted today on stream. So I'm going to be going right now. You know. Thank you for watching, being here in the chat. I appreciate it. So I'm not just talking to myself. So yeah. Have a nice evening. Goodbye.